Milow Robot Puppy Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've been considering a robotic pet, the Milow Robot Puppy is a fun option, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a simple toy. The surprising truth is that it combines interactive technology, learning features, and realistic movements, which affect both price and overall experience. Pricing typically ranges from depending on features like voice commands, touch sensors, and additional interactive modes. Limited bundles may include accessories or extra software. What you get: a responsive robotic puppy that can walk, bark, respond to touch, and learn commands. It's great for kids or tech enthusiasts who want a low-maintenance pet experience. What you give up: it's not a real pet. No grooming, feeding, or full emotional interaction, and battery replacement costs may apply over time. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Review features carefully to match your expectations. Step 2. Read customer feedback to identify any common technical issues. Step 3. Consider bundles for extra accessories if budget allows. Step 4. Keep the software updated for optimal performance. You won't believe what happens next if you expect a real animal experience. The robotic puppy can't replace emotional bonding with a living pet. The surprising truth is that it's perfect for learning, entertainment, and companionship without the responsibilities of a real dog. In conclusion, the Milow Robot Puppy offers interactive fun and educational features. By understanding pricing, reviewing features, and managing expectations, you get a unique robotic companion that delivers excellent value for your money.